एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. आई एम हिमानी एंड दिस इज़ माई यूट्यूब चैनल. आई एम बैक with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 28th of September till 4th of October as per your moon sign. If you don't know your moon sign, आप इसको कोई भी ज़ोडिएक साइन से देख सकते हैं जिसके साथ भी आप रेजोनेट होते हो. सो इट्स अ फेस्टिवल वीक. दशहरा इज कमिंग. अष्टमी, नवमी, नवरात्रीज आर गोइंग ऑन. So happy Dashera, and may this festive vibes gives you happiness and lots of success. So अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन मेरे न्यू वीडियोस का मिलता रहे. मैं ज़ोडिएक साइंस की टाइम स्टैम्प आप के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. आप अपने ज़ोडिएक के हिसाब से ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विथ मी पर्सनली, माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स विल बी देयर. प्लीज़ रीच आउट टू मी एनी टाइम. आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प यू. So please share this video with maximum friends so that they can also take the benefit of these guidances. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the reading. So first zodiac sign is Aries. Let's see what Aries card is stored for you. So let's see what is the guidance. Okay, so Aries, for you the card which I have pulled out is 10 of summer, which means it's a very emotional and fulfilling week for you. You will spend time with your family, you will enjoy with them, you have a very emotional experience, and if you have children you will raise them wisely. Also, it is a very nice week where you will find people with whom you can trust. So you have a joyful week. Singles might get married, or if you are already married planning for a family, it is the right time. So all the best, Aries. लेट्स मूव अहेड टू टॉरस. चलिए देखते हैं टॉरस के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. सो लेट मी ओपन द कार्ड फॉर टॉरस. ओके, सो टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड है 9 ऑफ समर, विच इज़ अ विश फुलफिलिंग कार्ड. सो आई प्रे टू माता रानी that your wishes come true. So definitely this is the week where your wishes will come true. Keep manifesting your wishes. Dreams will be fulfilled. It's a magical time of your life. Make use of this week and manifest your goals, manifest your dreams, but at the same time have gratitude to universe. All the best, Taurus. Let us move ahead to Gemini. देखते हैं Gemini के लिए क्या कार्ड आया है. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card is Queen of Winter. So this week, Gemini, you will be very strong and patient. You will be self-sufficient and independent. You will be focused on your career. So you will let go of people and things that are no longer serve you. So you will not run behind people who doesn't exist for you or who doesn't serve any purpose for you. So you will be more focused towards your career. So go ahead, chase your dreams. It is a very focused career. Also, you will be single or divorced. I think this is the time where you will be independently focused on yourself. You are self sufficient, you are strong, you are focused on your career. I know you might be divorced, or that's what it is saying. Let go of people or things that no longer serve you. So if you had a failed marriage, it card shows divorce, or if you are single, you still feel to be unmarried and focus on your career. So all the best, Gemini. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Cancer. देखते हैं कर्क राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so Cancerians, for you the card is 5 of autumn, which means this is the week where you will be having money issues. You will be feeling challenged. So if you have not saved for this time, because it's a challenging period for you, this is not the right time for career change. I know you are struggling with your career, or you are challenged by money issues. If you are not able to buy something which you are desired for, so it is the time to reach out to others for assistance. Leave your ego aside and go out and seek assistance. Seek financial help from your friends or anybody who you feel they are closed ones for you. Go and reach out to them, setting aside your ego, and find and ask for help. Definitely don't feel that you are alone. It's the time to seek assistance. All the best, Cancer. चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन टू लियो. देखते हैं लियो के लिए क्या कार्ड है. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is World. So this card always tells us it's the time for a brilliant success. Your one part of thing is over and you are ready to face new challenges in life. It's the time to move on to new direction. You are independent, the freedom to go in any direction. One journey is complete and you are ready to face new challenges. You are appreciated for your hard work. Whatever projects is completed, superiors are appreciating your work. You are getting applause for it. Or if you are single, you are ready to get married. Children who have come, who are studying, will completed their education and they are attending graduation ceremony. So it's a new journey for you. All the best, Leo. Let us move on to Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, Virgo, for you the card is the Lovers card. It's a brilliant card for you, Virgo, Kanya Rashi, which means true love that is long lasting. So you will find your soulmate, true love that is long lasting. So singles, be happy, you will get the love of your life, your soulmate. So be prepared for it. Also this week you will be making choices from the heart. So whatever decisions you will take, whatever choices you will make, it is from the heart. Also, if you were facing challenges in health issues, rest assured it is the return to good health. You will be having good health now. You will be recovering from your health. All the best, Virgo. Let us move ahead to the next zodiac, that is Libra. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Queen of Spring, which means this week you are very brilliant and talented. You have to believe in yourself. You have wonderful people who are ready to help you in your venture. If you are doing self business or you are an entrepreneur, you will have wonderful people to help you. Or even if you are doing job and you need help, there are people around you to help you when you stuck somewhere in your project. So trust people and seek help. Also, it is the time to maintain a balance between your work and home life. This is the good time to maintain a balance between work and home life. So, all the best, Libra. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio. Let's see what is the card for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card I pulled out is Nine of Winter, which means you are currently focusing on worst situations. Unfounded fears have taken over your mind and your mind is working 10 times. It's a sleepless nights for you because you are too much of thinking the negative situations, worst situations. And even if you keep on thinking of the negative situations and you will feel anxiety, fear, then you will not find solution. So do not let worry grow in your mind. As a result, you are unable to find the solution. So focus on positive side. Don't let worries take over. If you focus on positive side, definitely you will find the solution. And all of this is in your mind, which is playing 10 times. That is causing you insomnia also. So think about it. Focus on positive situations. All the best, Scorpio. Let us check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see what is the card for Sagittarians. Okay, So Sagittarians, for you the card is King of Autumn, which means this is the week where you are very compassionate towards your loved ones. You have accomplished your goals and you are ready for new goals. You are very charismatic personality. So be assertive when it comes to what you know is right. If you think this is right, you have to stay towards it. You have to be assertive. Everything going your way. So don't worry, everything is going your way. So you have to be assertive, and you will find a good person or company to work for in your project, in your workplace. So rest assured, everything is in your favor. Don't worry. If you think it is right, stand on it and be assertive. So everything will go as per your thinking. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn, Makar Rashi. Let's see. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is life experience, which means you have to let go of your thoughts, belief systems which is no longer serve you or no longer work for you. Change your thought, change your belief system. There is a time for life changing event. You have to, leave behind your weaknesses, your old belief systems. Start thinking of new ways. Whatever is not serving you, leave behind and move towards new direction, because this situation will lead to significant opportunities. So if you change your belief system, change your thought, you will find new opportunities, new significant opportunities that will help you in your life. So all the best, Capricorn. चलिए second last zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card pulled is King of Spring, which means this week you are very inspiring to for others. You are very wise and innovative. You use innovative ideas for success. Also, this card indicates a financial windfall. You might, receive your stuck money, or if you have lended money to someone, definitely you will get it back. So it's a financial windfall. Also, your leadership skills are needed now, so be prepared. Your team needs your leadership skills to move ahead towards success. So please go ahead, inspire others and show your leadership skills. Also, if you are doing some NGO work, or if you have an NGO, you will find an unexpected supporter for your cause who is ready to support you in your, in your NGOs or in your extracurricular work where you need support for your cause. All the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. चलिए देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस आया है Pisces के लिए. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is the Star, which means look to the future with hope and optimism. So it is the time to be optimistic. It is the time to look at the future with hope. You have the, for example, it is the power to move mountains. So you have the power to move mountains. So you have to be hopeful and optimistic. Things will be in your favor. Happy changes are coming to bring relief from your challenging times. So you have to be hopeful and optimistic. Happy changes are coming. Whatever challenges you have faced, it will over now and you will have a sign of relief. So all the best, Pisces. Take care. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope these weekly guidances will surely help you in plan your week and make you happy. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye bye.